They say you can't get 4K results with student grade paints. Nah, let's prove them wrong. Camel poster colors are cheap, but if you know the secret, they are absolute cinema. I am Sazaki and today I am showing you every detail of this angel dust piece. Wait, I messed up. Yeah, even the pros slip up sometimes. But a mistake is just a chance to level up the background. Ready? Let's begin. Welcome back to the desk. This isn't just a drawing, it's the proof that you don't need a massive budget for high-end art. These are my weapons: camel poster colors, a flat brush for heavy lifting, a round for details, and a zero for the soul. Let's see what they can do. You are doing it wrong. Most people use these paints straight from the bottles. Too crunchy, too dry, or they drown them in the water until they are transparent. But look at this, that creamy consistency is the sweet spot. If you master this mix, you master the cinema. Before we dive into the fur, I have a reward for you guys. I have hidden a small Easter egg somewhere in this video. The first person to find it and comment the timestamp gets a free digital print actually, really. Seriously. Let's see who actually has the eye of an artist. I am layering this pink-purple mix of angel dust fur. Poster colors dry fast, so have to move with purpose. While I am doing this, I want to know who is your favorite character from Hazbin Hotel. Tell me in comments. I am building the next video based on what you want to see.
Spotlight hits, yeah, that's my cue. Something glittery and new. Dancing under pale moonlight, making all the wrong things right. Got that dangerous design. This whole wicked town is mine. Call me angel dust, you see. Yeah, call me angel dust like me. Yeah, the rhythm takes control, dancing from my wicked soul. Watch me light the velvet sky, let the boring world pass by. Ooh, got that dangerous design. This whole wicked town is mine. Call me angel dust, you see. Yeah, call me angel dust like me.
Black is never just a black. To give these boots and jackets that 4K shine, we are layering shadows and highlights. It's a slow process, but shortcuts are the worst enemy of cinema. I am still learning too, but we are in this together. The moment of truth. Now for the background, I actually have no idea what color to pick. Bottle flip. Boom. So let's go with blue and pray I don't ruin the last 10 hours of my work. We are adding a light blue glow around his body to make him pop. It's a tiny detail, but it changes everything.
Blue and purple, what a sight to see. A perfect glamour looking back at me. This ain't no drawing, it's a so fucking amazing. It's a work of art, so fucking amazing.
The final touches, that signature black eye and dark pink spot on his fur. These are the bits that make Angel Dusk Angel Dusk.
Fulfilling this artistic dream. Behold the vision.
Now let's sign it. The Sazaki art seal. We did it.
For you, behold the vision, bold and new. A masterpiece revealed for you. A masterpiece just for
If you want this exact 4K masterpiece for your wall, the digital collection is live on my Ko-Fi shop right now. Your support helps me keep making this long form masterpieces and master classes for you. Link is in the description. Keep creating, keep leveling up. I am Sazaki and this was Absolute Cinema. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Sayonara.